Alex here with a legal nuts and bolts video on self-help centers. I wanted to cover this video even though it's going to be extraordinarily short. I wanted to cover this video because a lot of times people will bring up, people will ask for help and they'll say my ex is an abuser, my kids are being beaten, um, life is horrible, I can't get a lawyer, I need help, I need alimony, please somebody help me. And I'll see it on Quora, I'll see it on other YouTube channels, I'll see it on my channel. And people will say, and they mean well, they'll say just go to a self-help center and talk to legal aid and they'll give you some help. They don't help that many people. I'm sorry, I mean, not in Nevada. I think that they are so distracted and so understaffed that they probably help like half of a percentage of the people that go and ask them for help. So like if out of 200 people, they probably help one. That's just my understanding of what's going on. I called them a few times. They didn't even call me back. So it's like, you're not going to get help. I'm sorry to say, you're not going to get help from a legal aid center unless you're like a hugely high profile case. Maybe you've been in the media or something, or like you have, I don't know, maybe you have like 5 police reports and your ex is in jail. So it's like, you go and you're like, help me, I'm being abused and battered. And here's 5 police reports. Oh, and by the way, my ex is in jail and convicted of domestic violence. Maybe that person will get legal aid to help them for free. The rest of us, they send us to the self-help center and lawyer in the library. So if you want to know what those are, watch my last video. I wanted to do this video because I didn't want people to feel like they were just like the alien that nobody would help. You need to know you're not alone, you're with the majority. Legal aid is not helping hardly anyone, and it's not their fault. They just don't have a lawyer for everyone that asks for help. They just have so many people that want free help, and they just don't have enough resources. So if you're going to legal aid and you're not getting any help, don't give up, because I didn't give up, and there's a lot of other people who don't give up, and it sucks that no one's helping you, but you're just going to have to represent yourself like the majority of us have to. Everyone else here, most of us have to represent ourselves. You're just going to have to do it too. I'm sorry. If you want any kind of help at all, go to lawyer in the library or go to the self-help center. Get the packets. It'll give you a clue. It'll get you on the right track. But I'm sorry to say, you're probably not going to get any help from the legal aid center. There is one exception to that. There was 2 different people that I helped with an appeal, and it got all the way to the Supreme Court of Nevada. And the Supreme Court of Nevada ordered legal aid to give them a free attorney. Those people got a free attorney because the Supreme Court of Nevada said, legal aid, represent them. And I mean, they had an opportunity to say, no, we don't want to or something. I read the orders. But in neither case, legal aid did not send any such letter to the Supreme Court of Nevada. Right away, both of those litigants got a free attorney. And so I thought that was cool. So that's your exception. If the Supreme Court of Nevada orders you to get a lawyer from legal aid, you're probably going to get one. But that's probably, I mean, that's rarely ever done. I mean, usually the Supreme Court of Nevada is helping people out in like criminal appeals. Like to help you out in a civil appeal, I don't think they do that very often. And they do read your brief and they look and see carefully if they think that you've got a good case before they force a strained legal aid center to find some lawyer somewhere to represent you for free. So with that, I'm going to end this video.